Big, powerful sorrow, jump and kick overhead every time. That racks up the points. Judges also watching that spurring motion. Putting some numbers down. Left hand turn glide is what they should have called the cleaner. Tight little circle.
That last song was clapping their hands. So good job, everybody. Except for one person.
Uh-oh, who was it?
That person is this guy right here without the sleeves.
What's wrong with that guy?
He wasn't clapping his hands. What's your name? Nathaniel, stand up for me. Nathaniel, we're gonna play you a song to clap your hands to, just you. But it's gonna be right after this guy, okay? Don't leave us hanging, okay?
Listen, maybe. $13.1. 13-1 for Luke. I've been Army.
I now have Nathaniel in the aisle. He is standing up. He is showing his guns. Can we go on that jukebox and find a song to hand clap just for Nathaniel?
If I had muscles like that, I'd wear a shirt like that.
Or how about this? How about this, Nathaniel? What I want you to do is I want you to walk down the steps, all right?
Hey, want to see the video I got?
Hang on, the recording. Give some big flashes.
Oh my gosh. That's really close.
I know, a lot of right overhead. Glad we're in the car.
Two rubber tires.
Although there are places inside there.
Not touching anything metal.
There's still a tornado warning. I don't think there will be one. Moving through too steadily. That's a good one. Going this way, the rain's starting there. It's looking like ugly over that way to the just to the west.
Yeah.
Oh, this could be close. This could be close. This could be really, really close. Yeah. Damn.